Sterling yen. Sterling yen is winding tighter than a spring. And when this thing unwinds, it's not going to be subtle. We're testing a key pivot zone. Volatility is compressing. The market is whispering explosion incoming right now. Now, if you trade these yen pairs, you need to see this. Welcome back, everyone. Tom from Park Avenue Trading, your chief dealer, keeping you sane in these absolutely insane markets. If you like what you see, smash the like button, hit subscribe, share my videos far and wide. I want to build a huge trading community, and I can't do it without you. All right. So we got sterling yen, and we had the numbers just recently come out for core inflation. It's up a little bit, so that may hold off the Fed in cutting any rates. I'm sure that Donald's not going to be too happy about that. But let's just look at the pair technically. All right, so the pair has obviously been in an upward momentum. We have the pivot point up here, that 98.81 that we got to get through right now. That's holding strong. So let me get my, let me go over here. Let me get a brush. Let's get a brush. Actually, I'll put a circle on it right there. This is a very, very important point that we got to get through. So far, it's been holding strong. Today, the key technical level for it to hold is really 198. I'm going to go like, here's the trend line, right? 198.32. I'm going to come back down a little bit below the trend line. I'm going to say 198.23. That's a key level that it has to hold. If it's going to attempt to punch up maybe Sunday night or into Monday morning, right there, there's the important point. Also on the day itself, it needs to hold this point. If it breaks down through here, you got to go pay attention to dollar yen, see what dollar yen is doing. Dollar yen has been fooling me the last two sessions. It feels like forever, but really the last two sessions. Dollar yen is bid right now. It's attempting to get back up above 145. I don't know. I'm not confident either way with it, but I'm also not confident with sterling dollar. Sterling dollar really messed me up yesterday. I was long sterling dollar at 137.31. I sold some at 137.46. Put a stop at my average. Got stopped out at the average, so it didn't cost me anything, but completely confusing. So anyway, aside from my problems, we went up to the high of like, what, 75? We got to take this high out. If we can take this high out, and I don't even know if we're going to do it today. It looks like the market is already kind of quieting down. Here's the high that we got to take out. What we would look to see is then another resistance point at 199, like 20. It would need to come down, hold this top point right here, this consolidation area right here. It need to hold that, and then we could definitely see, market rebound and go to like 130, 199, like 50-ish. But here's the key level today, 198.22. That level has to hold. If we break down through this level, we could be looking at maybe 197, like 90 again, or 97.87 before, say, a consolidation. I think there's going to be consolidation, obviously, in this area right here. So that's what I got going on in sterling yen. Let's look at over at good old dollar yen. Let's go to a 1 hour chart. Whew, this thing has been confusing. All right, so got lots of lines here, really messy. But most important point, 145.10. Right now, we went up to what, 94? Look at this. Same damn level. I'm going to say it's got to come down to like 40. I'll actually match. I'll go down right here. It's got to hold 37. I'll get rid of this line. Use this line. It's got to hold 144.37 to potentially take out the 145.10. If we break down through 47, this support right here at like 14 and support obviously at the recent low that we got at 143, what was it, 73, 75, something like that. What was the low? 143.74. Right here is support. So resistance 145.10, support 144.37. If we can pop up through 10, we can expect to see a run back to probably 145.45, potentially 145.60. I don't see dollar. I'm going to curse a buddy of mine that made me read economic fundamentals. I'm a technical trader. I read that stuff and it messed up my head. So I really, economically, dollar yen should really be going downward. Okay, because they're going to raise rates. We're supposed to cut rates, blah, 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 blah. But that's not what's freaking happening. So I got to clear my head of that stuff. I'm just sticking to my technicals. Resistance 145.10, support 144.37. If we could get up through 10, we got resistance right at this peak right here, 145.35 and 145.60 after it. So let's go over to good old sterling dollar itself. Okay, this one has been really confusing me. So we made it up to 137.70. Oh, man. So let's see where resistance is going to be right now. 137, say like 30, 31, 32. This is the short-term resistance point for it. If we could pop up through this, I don't know. It didn't have any momentum last night. And I certainly didn't see 70. I got out at like 46, and I thought that was a gift, but I got up on this bar. Look, we ran up to 137.64. I didn't even see that. I saw like 48 before it came off again, and then back up. Let me look at the 1 hour chart. Let me see where the heck I got in, where I got out. Okay, hang on a second here. What's this? No, I didn't see that. I bought down here. It was right there, I believe. 137.53. Yeah, and then we popped back down to 24, and then it rallied up to 70, and now it's failing again. So like this 30 level is like really important to get back over. I'm gonna go. Let's see, what was the high? 70. Yeah. It's got to get over 31, 35, but it's still there's a lot of resistance up here that is below this 137.31. It's drifting down to 136.95. A break of that can open up not so much. Yeah, 136.47 again. So that's what we got going on in good old sterling dollar. Let's look over at what the hell's euro yen, euro dollar. I got Bitcoin up. Let's see here. Let me pull up euro yen. This one's another one that's been wild. It's been actually in a tight range. We made it up to what, 169.80. Trading right now it's 169.62. Support. Let's see where this level is. I'm gonna go down to a deeper support right here. There's a deeper support for you. If you're a euro yen bull, you probably want to look to see price action over here. We did break up. There's we're gonna have resistance at like 170, like 13, right up there. So right now it's stuck in a range in between. If we bounce back down to here and we hold and we take out the top, most likely we could get up to 170.15. Now that could also bleed over into Monday, as the market seems to be kind of slowing down right now. It's 11:38 a.m. on Friday, June 27th. All right, that's what I got for you guys in sterling yen and the rest. If you like what you see, please like and subscribe. Don't forget to head over to Park Avenue Trading and get yourself a free ebook. And I'll see you on the weekend update. Cheers.